I think I can motivate him about teaching or something else that I can see from him. Like he's not good to do that thing. If I'm able to do that thing, I can suggest him. Okay.
Any favorite quotation you want to share?
My favorite quotation is from the book The Alchemist. When you want to do something and struggle to do that thing, everything from the universe conspires to do that.
What's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear, I'm very afraid from the mountains and heights.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
What pleases you?
What pleases me? Whenever I see the smile on my parents, that brings me.
Okay, thank you. That's good. Just try to answer in 3 to 4 sentences. Where are you from?
I'm from Jason.
Jhelum. There are some mountains in Jhelum.
Yes, sir.
Why are you afraid of mountains?
I don't know, but
You can just try. Lahore mein Shimla khadi hai. You can have fun here. Thank you. Good.